They're maintenance-free, just clean the filters. That's probably what the HVAC contractor told you when you had your ductless mini split system installed. Unfortunately, that's a pretty big misconception. Over time, these systems build up dust, dirt, mildew, and even mold. In addition, your system may even begin to have a foul smell coming from it or even start to leak. All of those things I just mentioned affect the performance of your investment and are most likely what led you to our website. We are Cool Clean Services, your premier ductless system cleaner. We have the industry-leading tools and knowledge to get your system back into pristine shape in no time. At Cool Clean Services, we don't conduct your standard run-of-the-mill filter check that is included in a so-called tune-up that you get from the local contractors. Check out our video gallery. You see, we perform a comprehensive deep cleaning and we don't leave until we're confident your system is back to new. So call Cool Clean Services today. You will not regret it.